How to make grid photos on Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily create grid photos for your Instagram. So recently Instagram changed their grid layout from square to rectangles. So I'm going to show you guys how you can split your photo and post it on Instagram. The first thing you have to do is go to your web browser and then search for something called Photo Split. So let me just go ahead and open up a new tab and then search for Photo Split and hit enter. Now you can use online tools or you can make GridMaker Photo Split the app. I'm just going to go ahead and choose online for now. If you want, you can download the app as well. I've now installed the GridMaker app, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Now you're just going to have to choose your photo, so tap on it. If you want, you can watch the tutorial, but I'm going to skip it. So here I've selected my image. What you need to do now is select your grid. So how you want to split it. So it's going to be 9 by 9. And if you want it to be square, this is the old Instagram's layout, but you have to choose portrait for now. And once you've selected your portrait, just select the part of the image that you want to fit, and then you can tap on split. Now, after watching an ad, it will show you the sequence to post on Instagram, or you could just save it to your gallery. What I'm going to do is tap on this first picture and then tap on OK. So what it does is you can read this. The new Instagram format requires left and right spacing around the grid photos. This blank spacing will not show in your final grid. And it's important when posting each image in Instagram, you make sure to fully zoom out. So once you've made sure, click on OK. Now select the first image and then select Instagram. And then from here, go to feed. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. Now simply fill out of this, tap on the zoom out button like this, and then tap on next. From here, if you want, you could add your caption and then tap on share. So let me quickly do this for all 9 photos. So here I'm left with the last image. I'm going to post it on Instagram, feed. And once you select feed, make sure to crop it out and then tap on next and post it. Alright, so once you've posted your images, let's just head over to the profile icon to see how it looks. And as you can see here, the picture has been posted with this grid style. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.